Alright, so I have a Lynx lock that I've picked before. This one, this time I'm not gonna use standard pick or improvised or lock picking tools made, but rather just a typical hairpin. And what I'm gonna do is try to use this coming in bend side first, opening, and use this to try to manipulate the pins, and while also turning the lock by using both of them. All right, I do see one little problem here. It's gonna be a lot like trying to park your car in the hallway in your house. Kind of a tight fit. But I'm gonna try to see if I can wiggle in there. I might have to bend this a little tighter, but we will give this a shot. And looks like that's gonna be a little harder than to get in than I really want. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this hairpin and twist, and when that twist bend down, whoop. Of course, if I wasn't trying to do this on camera, I'd just put this in my mouth to keep it from twisting down here, but here we go. Got that little knob and there, a little bit tighter. There we go. And that might help me to get in there a little tighter. It might make it a little worse. It's all right. It's okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to use my teeth here to bite down on this. It's quite unpleasant. I don't think I did enough, but I'll give it a shot. Yep. And let's go ahead and put that in there, why don't we? There we go. So by putting it in there and twisting, I was able to get in that last little bit. I gotta try to turn the lock this way. Hands are a little oily, so it's a little difficult to get in. But alright, so got that knob a little bit tighter. You can hear those pins getting moved. Almost. Come back in here again, and there we go. Nice tight little circle. Now if I can keep a hold of that, keep that small while I open this back out, instead of having it balloon back out. Ballooned out, but not as much as it was to begin with, so this might be enough. That should be seated all the way in. Now we know that this one I can do with a rake, so sorry if this takes a while. Here's an idea. Go ahead and try to got in nice and deep now. Probably missed my exit, but there we go. So now I'm able to get in there, in and out pretty easy. Now while I'm in here, I'll try to finagle it so I can actually turn it. There we are. So there you go. The whole concept of a woman's hairpin picking lock in those old films, very realistic. Locks have been changing over years, so is hair care and stuff, but some things are still very much plausible. Ladies, maybe it's a good idea to keep these hidden on you just in case. It might make a difference between escape and not. Of course, keeping a cell phone is probably a better option, but no one's gonna think twice about your hair tie. Anyway, it was very much successful. Thank y'all for watching.